Hi guys, welcome to the next video. So this is another NYX video. I found these on TikTok. So it's the NYX Professional Buttermelt Blushes. I got two. There was a deal on TikTok. There's so put in NYX Buttermelt Blushes if you do like them and you want a deal. I think you could get 4 for 20. I only wanted to pick 2. I'm now out of my no buy for about 3 weeks, then I'm going to go back into my no buy next month. So I wanted to get, because my mum had kindly gotten me those NYX squishy lip balms, which I will pop up here and down below. I wanted to just get 2 that really screamed autumnal to me. And if you know me and you've been a long time subscriber of me, you'll know that I like the burgundy. I like those kind of deep brown colors. So this is, and I will pop up all of them in the corner here, this is the Butta Than Before, and this is Feeling Butter. So again, they have so many super bright pinks as well, so you do not have to go for the kind of more kind of mauve, kind of basically really berry colors that I'm going with. So the first thing we're going to do, they haven't even been taken off, so I wanted to kind of completely do this review with you. So these are the, again, NYX Professional Makeup Buttermelt Blushes. That's what they look like. Then you get the ingredients, and you get what they're called. The actual specific name of this one is Feeling Butter, and that shows you at the top there. So I'm just going to take the safety catch off. But this was something I was really interested in, because when I do come off of a no buy, it's generally not for very long. And then if I am going to buy something, I want it to be something that I will invest in and I will wear. And these are things that I would certainly wear. There are very, very bright pinks out there. Again, I will keep so this is what we're looking at here. Now it does scream bronzer too. So let's, so that's what that is. So they have shea butter, almond butter in them as well. So that's Feeling Butter. And now we're going to go, I like that, guys. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do one cheek this side and one cheek that side, but we are going to kind of swatch them first. Really creamy. So that's what that one looks as. This is Feeling Butter. Certainly what I see here is eyeshadow, bronzer and blush. I see all of that within this color. Look at the pigment there, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so we're going to move on. I love that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Okay, and again, I like the clasp. It's very travel friendly. Just clasps like that. Again, this one just screamed to me, guys. If you know me, I love my burgundies. I love my berry colors. I was going through a couple of months back super kind of berry toned blush phase. So this, just when I saw this. So this one is called Butta Than Before, Deep Raspberry. Okay. Okay, I've just taken off the little clasp. We're going to have a look here, swatch, and then we're going to go on and see what they look like. Look at this. Now this is, oh my goodness, guys. This is me to a T. Seriously, this is definitely me. Look at that. Butta Than, but no, sorry, this is, yeah, Butta Than Before. And it says Deep Raspberry. What does this one say? Shimmering Terracotta. Okay, so let's go in here. This is Deep Raspberry. That was Shimmering Terracotta. I'm straight away just going to swatch this, guys. I could imagine. Wow. Look at that. Now, again, they come in so many different variety colors. I felt this one, these two just screamed Kira. Again, they were a TikTok find. I'll open them both together and then we'll pop them on. This isn't going to be too long a video. So here we go. This is Feeling Butter and Butta Than Before. There we go. So now we're going to put them on. I'm excited. Okay. I'm going to start with Feeling Butter. So after the title, guys, on it, it does say Feeling Butter Shimmering Terracotta. Okay, so that's what it says. Let's go and get a clean. I'm going to use 2 separate blush brushes. So on this side, we're going to try this one. Again, this is called Feeling Butter, and we're just going to a clean brush, and I'm just going to dab this in. This is what it looks like. Tap off the excess. Something like this, guys, would generally be a bronzer to me, but I am going to, I love it. Wow. It stopped me mid-sentence, and if you know my lives, you know wow, guys, that is gorgeous. I would never in my life have thought something like this in kind of a bronze, blush tone. Look at that, guys. Okay, so what we are going to do, I am going to calm it down slightly, not too much, just with the clear foundation brush, and we're just going to blend it. Wow, I have never had this tone in a blush, but I thought autumnal, it screams autumnal. Look at that, guys. Wow. 10 out of 10. And that they feels this, obviously it says butter, you know, it has that soft texture, but wow, guys, honestly, Now in Superdrug, I think they're about $7 to $8.99 each. I got this for 12 on some sort of, I wish, makeup artistry with Gail, I think. But I would do just have a look, guys. There's a lot. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, I've never had a blush this color. Beautiful. Now I only got 2. I wasn't going to go crazy. The other one, wow, I could look at that all day. The other one is now this is the one I thought I'd love, but wow, I'm really loving that, guys. Now you could intensify that if you wanted to. I mean, what's remaining on the brush? Not a lot, but let's just, wow. I'm just saying, this to me, when I first saw it, was bronze, and then I thought, actually, you can really use that as a blush. Okay, so here we go. This one, Better Than Before, Deep Raspberry. So this is the one. These are the kind of ones I've been looking at. You know, my Primark one in Sangria is very similar to this. So we're going to have a look here. I'm going to clean off the same brush, actually, because this is a beautiful brush. This is the e.l.f. blush brush. I'm going to clean that off and use the same one. And we're going to go, I have a feeling this is going to be super duper strong, but that's too, like, look at that. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to, wow. We're going to tap off some excess there, guys. Other side. I'm going so light, guys. Whoa. Keep in mind, this is the same brush, and look what it did. So we're going to go straight away. Just blend that out really carefully and quickly. The quicker it goes out, as you can see, the kind of softer it becomes. So, whoa, look at that difference. It's amazing. I love them both, don't get me wrong. But whoa, do you get color? So I know totally different looks, but wow, guys, how crazy. And can I just say how soft they are? Whoa, they feel so soft. So that went down more than I usually would. So as you can see, this is lifting me up. And I always say put the blush here and go up, but so much came off that I will fix that. So what I would do is go in maybe with the Big Bertha and just really bring it up in the bottom, just because I can see that's a bit better. I could see it was definitely going down. So that's, you want that autonomous kind of, you know, Mocha Mousse look from this Mocha Mousse was the 2025 look. And then you've got that really deep rich berry that does have a shimmer to it. So that's what we have, guys. If I put them up together, I'm loving them. Be super careful with this one though, because as you can see, a touch of the brush was just like, wow. But I am in love with this, and I never thought I'd say that. Wow, I'm in love. Wow, guys, how can you be in love with makeup? You can. You can. So would I recommend them? Yes. The texture is something I want to talk about. They are so soft. You know, the compact, it's, you know, travel friendly, you know. The colors are just gorgeous. So if you're saying, Kira, they look great, I want kind of brighter pinks. I'll keep this up. Obviously, I'll keep that color book up there that you can see. They come in different. These just screamed autumn to me. I can't stop looking at this only because I've never had a blush this color before. This is called Feeling Butter, so we'll go and look at them again. This isn't going to be a long video, but I wanted to show you. So this is Feeling Butter Terracotta. That's what it says. And let's do a swatch here. There we go. And this is what we have on here. And then I'm going to keep it open because we are going to put them side by side afterwards. We have Better Than Before, Deep Raspberries. And we're going to go here. Sorry, I've been, look at those. So that's what's on this side. So guys, another swatch. Why don't we? Why not? There we go. That's it. Amazing, fabulous. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. Highly recommend that for sure. So yes, go and get them, guys, if you can. Even just choose one. I would really highly recommend them, guys. I'm enjoying them. This was my first time, like, a try on with you guys. I will definitely look at them both. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.